Hello, it's Rob, Cambridge Motor Centre, and left it a bit late in the day, but we're just doing this video of a 64 plate Mercedes Sprinter. It's a driver transfer vehicle with a Paravan steering system fitted. It can be driven as a normal van. We will update the video in better light, but it is a very, very dark blue as opposed to the black that it may appear in the video. A couple of marks around the bodywork, but we have priced it accordingly. We will try and show you everything we can also do a live video call if required. Really clean condition van. We'll show you a bit more on the Paravan system shortly when we go inside, but the overall condition interior is pretty well, really good. You'll see there it's had an attempted repair, I would say. Not very well done, in fairness. But that's about it really. There's not a lot else to note. It has got the separate remote system to open the rear doors and bring the lift out. So this one is designed for complete independence of the user, which is the important bit of the vehicle. That's all tested and working, fully functional. Vehicle has come straight from Motability. So bodywork aside, the actual workings of the vehicle are in perfect working order. Even works on the stones, which sometimes they don't. So that folds down to allow the wheelchair user to come in. Now it can, the chair can either be docked on the QLK 150 system there, or using the manual restraints, or if you're using a mobility scooter or whatever it may be. Then you've got a 6-way swivel seat, and there's plenty of space in these Sprinters. They are popular to get about, and you've got 2 fold-up seats in the back as well. So it's a 4-seater plus wheelchair. The wheelchair user can stay in the chair for travelling if required also. So really versatile as well. That all goes back up on the remote. And the doors shut behind it. It's been done by Adapter Car, who are one of the top companies in the country for doing these types of conversions. Very well known, especially with the Paravan system in mind. There is another similar to what's on the other side repair on this door. No signs of rust or anything. It's just, we like to point it all out. It's almost like it's had a scuff on there, and somebody's tried to repair it and not done it too well. Electric side step on the passenger side, switch is there for it, so it can be switched off if needed. And then we'll go in through the driver's eyes and show you how this works. So if I put that remote down and get the key for the vehicle. So if you were sat in the driver's position, you can bring the Paravan system over to you. Now this one's purely for steering purposes. The pedals are still in place. You would need to just pull the pin out there to lock it in place, but we'd give a full demonstration when either you collected or we delivered the vehicle. The switch for the Paravan system is down here. So it switches on there. We then put the key in, turn the van on. Now the basic concept is whilst that's doing its load up, we've got the gear selector here, park, reverse, neutral, drive. That's whether you're using it for the Paravan system or not. At the moment it's not locked, purely for demonstration, so it has come up with that message on there, but that's all tested and working. And once we've set it up, this would become the steering. So it's a really lightweight joystick for steering. If you don't need it, it's nice and neat out the way and not really a hindrance. So this can be used for somebody that needs it or doesn't need it. Of course you could have it taken out if you wish as well, but it's really, as far as these systems go, it's not impeding on the driver. So there you have it. If you'd like any more information on this, or just general WAV advice, as always, please feel free to get in touch.